Good day, everybody. Today we're going to be talking to you about edge banding locations. As you can see from this file, a typical person's line of sight when they're standing up is roughly around 60 inches from the floor up to their eye line. Roughly around this section, you can see there's a few locations where we need to specifically edge band. By default, the 2020 program will always edge band the front locations of any gable, panel, or shelf. So today we want to talk to you about how to add edge band locations. On our 2020 page here, we can see that we have a wall module on the left, a wall module on the right, and a tall module in the middle. On our perspective view, we can see here that everything in the front is defaulted and has an edge band. On the back side, we can see there is no edge banding whatsoever. It is not necessary to edge band the back, as this will go right toward their drywall and will be hidden away. You can also see the tops. They are not edge banding, nor the bottom. The reason why the top is not edge banded is because that is completely out of line of sight. Traditionally, majority of the time, you do not need to edge band these locations to add more cost to you and your clients. If you do want to edge band it, you can, no problem at all. The same goes with the back. Because this is hidden, there's no need to edge band these locations. If the drywall is not perfectly straight or perfect and there's some bowing involved, the installer may have to scribe the back, therefore defeating the purpose of edge banding the back. The bottoms, however, will need to be edge banded. Because the middle module here is sitting on the floor, this does not need to be edge banded. However, I can choose to edge band these locations right here. On the left-hand side, we do need to edge band that because this is only 26 inches. Therefore, this will be in the line of sight. Here, this will be completely optional. If a client does squat to the floor or they are shorter, they may see this. So today I'm going to show you how to edge band this location and this location here. To edge band specific panels, we need to individually select those panels and edge band this. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to right-click my mouse, select the panel on the left, and scroll down to Features and Options. Once my window pops up, I can see at the very top that that specific panel has been selected. On the bottom, I see that it's a TFL, it's in white, it's 3/4 inch thick. I can see that the edge banding in the back is not edge banded. I see the front has been edge banded as per the default. The top nor the bottom has been edge banded. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click the edge banding bottom. I'm going to select it from no to yes. And I'm going to edge band this location. Next, I'm going to right click this panel right here on the right hand side. If I left click this, I am now selecting the whole entire wall module as depicted in green. I can left click off screen to deselect it, go back and simply right click this panel here. It has now been selected, as I can see, panel on the right. I can right click, scroll down to my features and option, and again, this panel has been selected. On the right hand side, I see edge banding bottom. I'm going to select it from no to yes. Left click this, select OK. I can check on my perspective view. I can now scroll and I can see here if I zoom in, the edge banding on the bottom has now been edge banded as well as the right hand side. So for our dealers who wish to edge band that optional edge banding, please do so by right clicking that specific part and selecting the appropriate edge band. In the event that I do want to edge band the tops and the client wishes to do so, the same concept. I can right click that specific panel, go to features and options, edge banding on the top from no to yes, click on OK, and again I can check it on perspective view, and now I can see that the top has been edge banded. Again, this isn't as popular as this will be hidden, and that is a complete option to all our dealers. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoy this video.